Another day, another toge run with the lads. Took the EG out, and it's performing good. It's still rubbing from the rear. It's alright. Brother had to take a shit, so we're at a pit stop now. Speeding? What's speeding? What's speeding? No,
Speeding.
mate. I don't know. We're actually generally doing the limit the whole time. Dude, don't make those faces.
What limit?
We were doing the limit. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be servicing not the EG. The EG is actually fine. So what we actually are going to service today is the E36. And you're probably wondering why I've not shown love to this car. To be fair, I don't know why either. But yeah, so we're going to take the EG out of the garage now. We're going to swap the E36. A little bit background history about the E36. I did buy it for $3,000. I know I'm probably going to clickbait the shit out of the video, but at the same time, shit, man, I'm a small YouTuber, man. I need clicks. I need everything up right now. Nah, I'm only joking. But I've actually never serviced the E36. It has been serviced before. Let's not get that twisted. It has been serviced before. I just don't service it because my old house, we were working on engines in the backyard. I just didn't want to service it, so I always took it to a shop. But anyways, today I will be servicing it myself. Will it be hard? Probably not. It'll be pretty straightforward. We're doing an oil change and all that fun stuff that just can't be fucked doing, but it's got to get done. This is my E36 328i, hardtop as well, coupe. Yeah, you guys can hear some good tasty 6-cylinder sounds of a BMW. So. Alright, I'm gonna jack the car up and we will go from there, I'm assuming.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and properly...
Bitch just loves to chug some oil, so we're going to put 6.5 litres. I'll show the oil that I'm obviously, of course, running. There's no other oil that I rather prefer. Hashtag not advertised or... Yeah, no. This is the oil we'll be using. If anyone wants to know, or anything. But we'll be running this in the E36. Oh my god. That is a tough motherfucker. God damn. Oh my god. Oh. Hey. some motherfucking tough. Ah, holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna let that cool down because that is freaking hot oil, not gonna lie. Well, it seems pretty good. So what you will need to do is obviously oil filter, seal ring as well. So we will do that now. But first I will let that cool down because it's fucking hot and it's burning me. Man, I wish I had gloves. Now I have to actually get my fucking hands dirty. Yeah, it's probably the one thing I actually should have bought was gloves. Oh well. This might have to do some small gloves. Oh no, you need that in the bin. I wish I had a bench, I'm not gonna lie, but you know what? Sometimes you ask for too much in life. So anyways, we take the old one out and we will replace it with Unomo new one. But first I'm going to drain the oil underneath so we can kind of speed up a little bit of the process. You know what? We are going to put an extension because we're smart now. We're not no backyard engine swapping people anymore. Ah shit, went everywhere. Fuck shit. Ow, it's hot. It's not hot. It's a bit warm. Oh no, where did it go? Oh, there's some. Anyways, we'll let this drain. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I did a good job. I'm gonna clean this. New one on. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, now put the oil filter in. Okay, that should not be going off anyway. The car is finally done. Just the pouring stages, all that mathematician stuff. So, but anyways, we're gonna shut. Okay, that's something that I would do. All right. Anyways, caps on, everything's on. We'll have one more look around the engine bay, see if I didn't miss anything, which I don't think I did. Oh, it blows up. Blows up. We'll jack the car down. And we'll start the car up. Make sure you take the oil that you left underneath the car out, you know. Alright, we're done. Take full spin, and so this will be the next, because we're pretty much done with the EG. So now we're just gonna be doing some German stuff. So if you do like E36 content, plenty to go around here, and as well, we've got some modifications to do on it. We've got a whole body kit for it as well. I wanted to make it a bit different. Obviously, it's going to have your M3 parts on it, but I want to make it a little bit different. This was one of my dream cars as a kid. I remember always talking about how I wanted an E36 so bad. My good friend Jonathan, he had an E36, which was just mental. It's sold now, but I remember growing up, I was always like, I want that car, I want that car. Even though I had this car for 3 years, I've just always neglected it. But I feel like as soon as you're getting older, German cars become more... like, I don't know, you have more of attachment on, I don't know, I just feel like I just enjoy a German car more than a JDM car. It's just personally me. It could be other, even though I'm wearing, you know, highly modified Japanese, whatever. End goal is to turbo it, but we'll need to rebuild the whole engine because it's done 300 Ks. But anyways, that's it for the E36. We'll rip it around soon. The sad thing about this car is it is auto and we'll need to manual swap it, which I'm not going to manual swap it just as of right now. I will want to manual swap it. I prefer to make it look good. I don't know, I just enjoy just being comfortable in the car for once instead of getting, you know, filling every bump on planet Earth. But yeah, this is the E36. No, I didn't buy it for $50. I did buy it for $3,000 though, and that's really good for a 328i hardtop coupe. I'm going to stop yapping now, but yeah, take it for a spin and we'll do all of that. And as of right now, we're done. So yeah, I don't know where the video is ending now, but hey, if you enjoy, you enjoy.